All right, we got one final section called recommended resources. And that's, hey, do you have any resources that you would recommend to help people either grow their business and or grow personally themselves?
Yeah. I mean, first, of course, always Laundromat Resource podcast and YouTube channel and forums and all that, those good things. For sure. Like I've been, a fan, for, kind of over the years or whatever, popping in here. So that's always, I guess that goes without saying, right?
I mean, you can say it. That's I'm just kidding. I appreciate that though.
Yeah, no problem. But yeah, so I would say Traction, the book Traction was a good one.
Love that.
In terms of kind of setting up systems and kind of like your operating system for your business, that kind of goes across the board with like any type of business, really. Profit First was a good one. It's kind of kicking the butt a little bit, but kind of getting things, getting things on the financial side, kind of worked out and budgeting and stuff.
Yeah, we talked about that a little bit before we jumped on. And when I read Profit First, I felt like it was like a slap in my face. I'm like, I love that book and I hate that book all at once. It's so hard. It's such a hard one for me.
Yep. But just, again, one foot in front of the next. Yep. Just, incrementally getting better, 1% at a time,
Yeah. Those are good. And I'll have links to those books and to everything that we talked about in the show notes. If you're on YouTube, those will be down below too, just in case you want to check those out. Traction. Awesome book. I've read that one. Well, I read it once and I listened to it once. Super good book. And especially if you're trying to build a business, like if you want your laundromat business to be a business, man, that's a great book.